Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Today, in this video, we are going to learn how to use formula method. For using formula method, formula is x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. For using the formula method, the step we have to follow. First of all, we have to compare the equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. From this comparison, we will get the value of a, b, c. After getting the value of a, b, c, next we have to do find the value of discriminant. The discriminant formula is what? B square minus 4ac. Here we will use the value of a, b, c. After this, we will use our formula. X equal to x is the variable of the given equation equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now let's start our exercise. So our exercise is 2.4. So the first question is given. Compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the value of a, b, c. Already we have done this type of question in our previous video. So our equation is given x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Now this equation we will compare with the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here value of a is 1 because x square coefficient is 1. Nothing is given means value is 1. So b value is what? Minus 7 and c value is 5. Now the second equation is given 2m square equal to 5m minus 5. So 5m and minus 5 will come to the left side. The sign will be changed. 5m become minus 5m, minus 5 become plus 5. So this equation will compare with the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a value is 2, b value is minus 5 and c value is positive 5. Now the third one is given y square equal to 7y. So here value of c is not given. We'll arrange this equation first. Y square 7y will come to the left side, become minus 7y. C value is not given. So what we will take? Plus 0. So already I have explained you b and c can be equal to 0, but a cannot be a 0. So we will form the equation y square minus 7y plus 0. Comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here the value of a is 1, b is minus 7 and c value is 0. Understood? Here you have understood how to get the value of a, b, c by comparing the equation. Now let's move to the question number 2. Question number 2. The first one equation is given x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Here we have to use using the formula. The step I have told you, first of all we have to compare the equation. We get the value of a, b, c. Then we have to use discriminant formula b square minus 4ac. So what the value of b is? 6. Square of 6 minus 4 multiplied by a. The value of a is 1 and the value of c is 5. Square of 6 is 36. 4 1 is 4, 4 5 is 20. Now 36 minus 20 we get what? 16. So b square minus 4ac value is whatever now? 16. After getting the value of b square minus 4ac, we have to use the formula. So our formula is what? X equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substitute the value of a, b, c. Wherever it is given, b value is given 6 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac value what we got? 16. We'll put it directly 16. And 2 multiplied by a value is 1. Now 16 is the square of which number? 4 and 2 1 is 2. So here 4 is given the positive also and the negative also. We'll take one positive 4, one negative 4. So minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Once we'll take positive, once we'll take negative. Now minus 6 plus 4 means minus plus minus. So 6 minus 4 we get minus 2 upon 2. The other hand we get minus 6 minus 4, minus minus plus. 6 plus 4, 10 and the 6 is bigger number, so we will come minus sign. So in the first one we got minus 2 upon 2, in the second one we got minus 10 upon 2. Now this number can be, we can do this in the simplest form. 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2. Here 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. X value is minus 1. Here we get x value is minus 5. So minus 1 and minus 5 are the root of the quadratic equation. Understood? What I have done first here step, first of all I have compared the equation. Then we got the value of a, b, c. After that we have done our discriminant formula b square minus 4ac. After getting this discriminant value, I have used here formula because it is given using formula. And substitute the value and get the root of the equation. Same way we'll solve the second one. Compare the equation, get the value of a, b, c. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So here b value is minus 3 square minus 4 multiplied by a value is 1 into c value is minus 2. Minus 3 square is always what? Negative number square is always positive. So minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So I wrote the minus 8 in the bracket. We'll open the bracket, minus minus plus. 9 plus 8 became how much? 17. We'll use the formula, substitute the values. So b value we got minus 3, already we have the minus. So I wrote in the bracket. Plus minus, discriminant value we got 17, 2 multiplied by a value is 1. So minus minus plus 3 became plus minus under root 17 upon 2. We'll write one positive, one in the negative. So cannot cancel anything over here. So our answer is same 3 plus under root 17 upon 2. 3 minus under root 17 upon 2 are the root of the what? Quadratic equation. Now third one. Same we will compare, we'll find the value of ABC, we'll find the value of B square minus 4AC. So here we get what? 88. We'll use the formula, substitute the value. Now 88 we will split in the prime factor method. So what will come? 4 into 22. 4 is the square of 2. So 2 will come out. 22 will go in the under root 2. 2 3 is a 6. Now in the numerator we have minus 2 plus minus 2 under root 22. We will separate this in the positive and negative. So minus 2 and plus 2. Common what we have? 2 over here. So we will take 2 out. The 2 table minus 2 is coming how many times? Minus 1 plus 2 is came out. What is remain? Under root 22 upon 6. Same way we'll do the next one also. Now 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. So here we get minus 1 plus under root 77 upon 3 minus 1 minus under root 22 upon 3. These two are our root of the quadratic equation. Now next one. Now here we'll start the question number 6 because as per the last year reduction, question number 4 and 5 is omitted. So we'll compare the equation. So we'll get the value of A, B, C. A value is 5, B value is 13, C value is 8. So we'll use the formula B square minus 4AC. So here we get what? Value 9. We'll use the formula. Substitute the value. Under root 9. 9 is the square of which number? 3. And 2 5 is 10. So we'll separate this. Minus 13 plus 3 upon 10. Minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. 1 we'll write in the positive, 1 will write in the negative. Now minus 13 plus 3 means minus plus minus. 13 minus 3 is minus 10 upon 10. Minus minus plus 13 plus 3 is 16. Minus 16 upon 10. Now minus 10 upon 10 will come in the same table. Table of 10. 10 1 is 10. 10 1 is 10. So here we get minus 1. Minus 16 upon 10 will come in the table of 2. 2 8 is 16. 2 5 is 10. So here we get minus 8 upon 5. So here we got minus 1 and minus 8 upon 5 are the root of the quadratic equation. Now the question number 3 is given. With the help of the flow chart given below, solve the equation x square plus 2 under root 3x plus 3 equal to 0 using the formula. Solution first, what we have to do? Compare the equation with the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Find the value of a, b, c. What we do in this exercise. After that we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. Write the formula to solve the quadratic equation. We have to write the formula. Substitute the value a, b, c and find the root. Same way we have to do the sums. So solution, this is the equation our. Compare the equation. We get the value of a, b, c. A value is 1, b value is 2 under root 3, c value is 3. B square minus 4ac. B value is what? 2 under root 3 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 into c value is 3. Square of 2 is 4 and square of under root 3 is 3. So 2 ka square is 4, under root 3 ka square is 3 minus 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 is 12. In the bracket we have 4 3 is 12 minus 12 we get 0. Using the formula, substitute the value. Under root 0 value is 0. So now we will take in the positive and negative. So whenever we add 0, subtract 0 will the remain same. So what the value we have? Minus 2 under root 3 upon 2. Minus 2 under root 3 upon 2. So 2 1 ja 2 1 ja will do. So what is remain? Under root 3. Minus under root 3 and minus under root 3. So our answer is minus under root 3 and minus under root 3 are the root of the quadratic equation. I hope you have understood. And thank you for watching this video.